Lovely people, welcome to my channel once again. If you're new here, my name is Tsungie. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this macrame t-shirt yarn necklaces. Yeah, so they're so easy to make. You need t-shirt yarn, some beads, scissors. What else do you need? If you have some jewelry ends, you can use them. If you do, I do not have, so I just tied my ends like this. Okay, so let's just get right into the video. Before I forget, please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you so much. Let's get into it. Lovely people, so let us start. So to start, I'm starting with 3 strips of, I'm working with t-shirt yarn, so you're going to need 3 strips, and you need each strip to be at least 5 meters long. Then you're going to take the 3 strips and you're going to make a simple knot like this. Right. After you do the simple knot, we're going to braid. So it's simply putting, let me show you how to braid. So you're going to braid like this. You're going to continue braiding. So you're going to braid until your what you call it, your braid is 2 meters in length, right? So that should be one color. So this is my braid here. This is 2 meters, right? I'm going to do another braid, and this braid is going to be 1 meter or 90 centimeters in length. So you can put beads if you like. I've just put these gold beads in there, then I've just tied the ends, right? So this is our base braid. So now what I've done, I've just put my 2 beads, and I've just demarcated the area that I want to be doing my macrame necklace. So I'm going to start from one end where I've got my red bead. So the 2 meters, the blue braided t-shirt yarn, you're going to put it under your black, right? So you're going to put it under your black, and you try to make sure that the sides are equal, right? After you make sure that the sides are equal, I want you to put more on one side. So your right is going to have slightly, the length is going to be slightly shorter than the left. After that, I want you to do a simple knot, just simply tying. Like this. Make a simple knot like this, right? Yes, so this is what we're starting with. Then after that, we're going to start our macrame. So what we're going to do, we're going to be making S's. So 1, so this is an S here. We're going to be making this shape on top of our black like this. We've got an S. Then we're going to take the one at the right, and we're going to put it on top of this S like this. So this one, the one on the right, we want to go under this one and under this one and come out this here. So I'm going to take it, pull it through here, take it out, right? After that, you're going to tighten everything. Just pulling. Right, so it will form something like this, right? We're going to repeat it, form an S like this. After that, you take the one on the right, you put it on top of that S, right? And you want it to come underneath this one and underneath this one. So you want it to come out here. So you want it to come out here like this. Then you're going to pull everything together. Tighten everything together. Like this. Like this. So that is all that we're going to be doing. So I'm going to continue again. I'm going to form an S like this. After I do my S, I'm going to take the one on the right and put it on top of my S, right? And I want this one in the right, the yarn at the right, I want it to come out from this hole, so like this. Then after that, I pull everything together like this, right? I'm going to continue. So let me quickly continue, and I'll get you. I'll come back when my my blue yarn is finished. Okay, so I've reached almost the yarn on my right is almost finished, and this one we can adjust it later on, like to the shape that we want. So now what we're going to do, we're going to okay, so before I unravel it, I'm just going to sew it to the back here. So here I'm just going to take my needle and black yarn, and I'm just going to sew to attach it to the back here. Sew it to the back. Okay, so after you sew it up, you can just going to cut the excess. Like this. I'm going to cut the excess, and I'm just going to do the same here. I'm just going to sew this one. I'll kind of do it like on top of it. Then you also sew this one. I'm not really good at sewing, so I'm not comfortable doing it on video. So you guys, I'm actually going to put glue first, then I'll just sew this end and this end. Yeah, right. So that's what you do. Okay, so you guys, what I ended up doing, I sewed the. Actually, this is not neat. If you have like a blue thread, I would actually recommend that you use a blue thread. Then I just I put it under these. I just tucked it under. Then I sewed it to the first one. So if you have a navy blue yarn, it's actually better. Then you won't be able to see this. Then I just put it under. I keep tucking it down. Then I cut it. Right, you can secure it with some glue if you want. Yeah, so this is my front and this is my back. So the back is gonna look like this, and the front is going to look like this. So I've just shaped it into the shape that I want, which is this one. I'm just going to put my beads, adjust my beads to where I want them, right? And at this point your necklace is done. So you can make different colors. You guys, if you have these jewelry ends, instead of tying like this, you can put your jewelry ends. I do not have, so at this point my necklace is ready for wear, right? So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.